morning, Kimmy, and welcome to my Super Chef. Today we're going to make something that I never made before. It's a very delicious dessert. I didn't realize there's so much ingredients, and it's called black sesame seed pudding. And this is going to be delicious, so let's just start cooking. We're going to need some very special ingredients. So we've got water chestnut starch, and this is what water chestnut starch looks like. Some cane sugar, black sesame powder, and some rice flour. Did I say water yet? Doesn't matter. And some water. I've also got some tools and one big glass bowl. Okay! Black sesame powder. I always make a mess every single time I cook. You see, I really do have a mess. So we're going to mix the rice flour with the water chestnut starch. Get some water too. Ooh, it fizzes. Why does it look like milk? We're going to add the cane sugar. Okay, I'm putting this sesame powder in there. Milk thing in there. Okay. Can I mix it, Mama? Brushing the oil on this glass container so the pudding won't be stuck onto it and you cannot get it out once you want to eat it. It's not falling out. This time it worked. Successful! There are two ways to eat it. You can eat them hot or cold. I'm going to taste it. They've got layers. Tastes really good. Super good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layers. Please click the banner below to subscribe and ring the notification bell and you'll get notified if we have a new dish.